All right, in this video, I'm going to discuss pressure unit conversions. And this is dealing with gas pressure. And so when we deal with gas pressure, we could use several units. There are more units that I'm going to discuss in this video, but the three that we're going to focus on are atmospheres. That's abbreviated ATM, that's the unit. We have kilopascals, and we abbreviate that KPA, and it's a capital P there. And our final one, it seems a little older. It is an older unit, but it's millimeters of mercury, and so we abbreviate that. The unit is mmHgs. Still used, still relevant, but it is an older unit. If you want a history of why it's called millimeters of mercury, there are plenty of YouTube videos out there. All right, so if we're going to do unit conversions, we need to know how many atmospheres are equal to how many kilopascals equal to how many millimeters of mercury. So this is it. This is worth writing down somewhere. 1 atmosphere. And by the way, these are by definition kinds of conversions, and so you would treat these as exact equivalencies. Like if you're counting sig figs, it would be infinite sig figs. It's a little bit of a not 100% true, but it's good enough for what we're doing. So 1 atmosphere is the same as 101.3 kilopascals, and that's equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. All right, and now that we know what is equal to what, we can start to work out some unit conversions. So I'm going to work a couple examples and then call it good. So in my first example, example 1, let's say that I have 742 millimeters of mercury, and I want to know, well, how many atmospheres would this be? Move this up a little bit. Because I know what is equal to what, I should be able to have put together a conversion factor and do this math. Okay, so I have 742 millimeters of mercury. Put up my, there we go. Put this up here. I want to get rid of millimeters of mercury, and I want to go to atmospheres. Now here, I see that my millimeters of mercury, I'm going to write 760, and my atmospheres 1. So let's see if my math is right. My millimeters of mercury cancel out. I'm left with atmospheres. That's good. So I'm going to punch into the calculator that 742 times 1 equals, divided by 760 equals, and I get, let's see, 3 significant figures. So I have 0.976 atmospheres. That's it. Millimeters of mercury into atmospheres. Okay, I'm going to work a second example now. This time, I'm going to start with kilopascals. So I have 249. Oh, let's go back a little bit. Make that clearer. 249 kilopascals. And let's say I want to know how many millimeters of mercury that is. Well, 249 kilopascals. Let's see, I want to get rid of kilopascals, so I'm putting them down here so they cancel out. I'd like to go to millimeters of mercury. Let's see, up here, 760 for millimeters of mercury. And all right, there's my kilopascals, my 101.3, so I'm going to write that down here. And my kPAs cancel out. I'm left with millimeters of mercury, which is what I wanted. So in the calculator, I'm going to type in 249 right there times 360 equals, divided by 101.3 equals, and I should get, with 3 significant figures, so I'm rounding this up a little bit, 1,870 millimeters of mercury. So that's it. That's how you convert between these different units of gas pressure.